In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add your business address on Snapchat Map. Adding a business address on Snapchat Map can enhance visibility and accessibility for potential customers. It allows users to easily locate and visit your business, increasing foot traffic and potentially driving sales. To do this, simply head into your Snapchat. On your chat, tap on the map icon. In the Maps section, tap on the Settings icon on your upper right corner of the screen. You will then scroll down to the very end and select on this option of Suggest a Place. Enter the required details such as your business name, phone number, website, opening and closing hours. To allocate your business, just head right here on Tap to Add Address. Enter your exact business address. Make sure to fill in all the required information needed. Tap on Submit and your address will get reviewed by Snapchat. It usually takes 3 to 2 days for Snapchat team to get back to you. That's how easy it is to add your business address on Snapchat. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.